Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I thought I would take you with me on my morning routine. I've already dropped the children off to school and this is just me tidying and making everything nice and neat before I go out today. I'm getting my hair done. Yay! I haven't had it done for ages. So first off, I will start off in my butler's pantry and I'll unpack the dishwasher and I'm just popping everything away. My kids, if normally, will put their dirty dishes in the dishwasher if I've woken up early and have already unpacked it, but they're pretty good at rinsing their bowl and putting it up on the sink.
Everything that we could have been, but
now I'm just going to stack all the breakfast dishes into the dishwasher, and then once it's all loaded this evening, I will turn it on and unpack it again tomorrow morning. Then I like to give the sink a good clean out with some dishwashing liquid. If you saw my under the sink organization video the other day, I said I was after a container to put the dishwashing liquid in so it looked nice. So I just used an old soap dispenser that I had and I filled it up with the liquid. And I just give it all a good scrub so it's nice and fresh in here when I come in to cook dinner tonight or when I have my lunch. And this is just the sponge that I bought from Aldi. They're fantastic. They're the bamboo sponges and I'm really loving them. And then I just used the cloth that I had the night before and I'll just give everything a good wipe out. So now I'm just grabbing out a new cloth and spraying everything down with the glass all-purpose method cleaner. I like using one spray, so either I'll use my Co or I'll use this method glass spray because it's a multi-purpose and glass cleaner. Now it looks pretty tidy out here. My kids are pretty good at putting everything away, like their Wheat Bix and their crumpet packets, whatever they're using. But William made porridge this morning and there is some crumbs still on the bench that you can't really see in the video. And I love this glass cleaner because I can go straight from the timber to the stainless steel. And can you check out that cheeky little cat, Lola? Don't worry if you're new around here, I do wipe the benches over before I cook because I know that the cats will jump up and get on top of the benches. So here's where William made the porridge. I don't know if you can see, but there was porridge everywhere. And I've also popped Bruce on. So he's doing my hard work today. And if you don't know who Bruce is not the cat. Bruce is my little robotic vacuum. And I just turn him on and he does the morning vacuuming for me.
Craving for your love since last November, but you turn around when I want to talk. Oh, when you need me.
And here I'm just showing you that I have swapped out the cloths because I'm about to head into the bathroom. I'm not using the same cloth that I use in the kitchen. And I'll just clear everything away, popping Olivia's brush back in her room. I'm going to be doing an organizing and cleaning of this bathroom. This is actually going to be just the girls' bathroom, but currently we're all using it because my ensuite isn't completed and nor is the bathroom for the boys downstairs. So I'm just getting all the towels and so I can change them over today, and just giving everything a good spray, wiping up any yucky toothpaste marks and splatters on the mirror. I don't know how many times I wipe this at night and in the morning, and it always looks filthy. So just giving it a good scrub so it's nice and clean to be messed up again this evening when the kids brush their teeth.
Like a domino.
So now I'm in the powder room. I'm just giving everything a wipe over. I cleaned the toilet last night, so I'm not going to give that a clean. I will clean it in the evening tonight. I always clean my toilet every day, and I have the solution under the sink so it's ready to go. And here I'm at my church pew. This is where I do my hair. There's a little mirror above the church pew, and yep, that's another peg. I don't know if you watch my videos, and you will see I'm always finding random pegs. And then I'm in my room just folding up my pajamas, and I love it when it's just me at home because it's just like making an envelope. I just get in and I just straighten it like this. When Chris is home, oh my gosh, he rips all the blankets up, and it's a big effort to make the bed, but I don't mind. There's nothing better than coming into a beautiful tidy room in the evening. Straighten anything up that's on my bedside. And I have this little bench seat that I got from Aldi. I love it, and I popped it over the window so I can look out at the view, and I will pop our cushions on there. Chris always throws them on the floor when he's at home. Who else has a husband or a partner that throws the cushions on the ground and think you have too many? And I'm just heading into Will's room. Normally he makes his bed, but this morning the little cheeky rat got out of it, and I'm going to make it for him.
The thanks, baby, I have not. Just gonna love you. Yeah, I'm gonna love you. I'm gonna love you, babe. Cross my heart and hope you die.
For me to go into the girls' room. They've done their room, and I'm just folding up this little blanket that Kobe sits on, and I'm just opening up the curtains so it's nice and bright. And I've just realized that Bruce has stopped working, and I'm just going to press him, and he's going to go again and karate chop those cushions. Who loves to karate chop their cushions? Funny story about my drinks dispenser that I use for my laundry liquid. The other day, Chris was shouting out to me, "Michelle, get down here. We have a problem." And I got downstairs and I accidentally left it on, and there was laundry liquid everywhere. But don't worry, I didn't waste it. I used the sheets that I have Kobe sit on, and I wiped them up and I washed it, so nothing was wasted. But my gosh, it was a big mess.
Walking home late at night, maybe 2:30. A little drunk, but I'm alright, 'cause I've been hanging with you, and it feels like love. Tell me if I'm wrong, 'cause it feels like love. Yeah, it feels like love. Come on, come on, come on, come on, come on.
And now I'm just popping on a white load, and I'm going to pop some nappy sand in there and the laundry powder that luckily I had the sensitive laundry powder because there wasn't enough in the drinks dispenser of liquid. So I am going to go and buy laundry detergent today, and I'm also going to pop it onto a timed wash. So by the time I come home from the hairdresser, it will be ready. It hasn't been sitting in the machine, and I can hang it out as soon as I get home.
Am I out of my mind, or is this how it should be? You made me sing about love.
Now I'm just going to hang everything out on the line so it gets nicely air dried. Nothing beats drying your clothes out on the line. I find them so much more fresh than popping them in the dryer. I hope you enjoyed this video, guys. If you'd like to see another video like this from me, maybe my evening routine, please comment below. I'd love to film that for you. And if you are new around here, I would love for you to subscribe to my channel. And if you have already, make sure you hit that bell so you're notified of my next video. I am trying to get up 3 videos a week, and I would love your feedback. Do you prefer morning or evening times to watch videos? I'm kind of tossing up times at the moment, trying to work out what's best for me. But I hope you enjoyed this video, guys, and I'll see you on my next one. Bye!
A little crazy for you now. A little crazy for you now, baby. I'm a little crazy for you now.